Welcome to a productive day in my life. I had so many things on my to-do list today, so I decided to bring you guys along so we can get it all done together. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine and I am a homemaker and a stay-at-home mom with a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old. And here on this channel, my content pretty much focuses around homemaking, cleaning, laundry, cooking motivation, just stay-at-home mom life, but from a Christian perspective. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe before the video is over so you can become a part of the family. So as you saw, we started off with laundry and then my Walmart order was delivered. So I went outside to get the bags. I love Walmart delivery. It is a lifesaver when I just can't make it to the store. So I just ordered a few household items as well as what we needed in order to make dinner. Moving on to meal planning, so I try to plan out the meals for the entire week, and then once I figure out what we're going to eat for that week, I go ahead and write everything on the weekly planner board to put it on the refrigerator. So this just helps me stay accountable. It helps me remember what I planned for each day, and then I like it because it's also good for my husband so he knows what we're going to have on each specific day. Sometimes I rotate some of the same meals, but this week's meal plan was a lot different than what we usually eat just because I was kind of burnt out and tired of eating the same meals. We usually eat a lot of fish and shrimp, so I kind of switched it up a little bit and added some new things in there. Moving on to the fridge, so I didn't do a deep clean today. I just wanted to do a basic clean out. There were some leftovers that needed to be thrown out, and I also needed to check the expiration date on some items. And it was also just looking a little chaotic in here, so I wanted to reorganize some things so it looks a little bit more appealing to the eye. I also want to apologize for the bad lighting in these clips. The lighting in my kitchen is not always the best, so that's something that I'll try to work on and figure out for you guys in later videos. is nothing better than fresh, clean sheets. So I had to go ahead and strip the bedding off of my bed and throw those in the washer. And then I went ahead and changed out what was in the washer and put it in the dryer. My kids eat a lot of fruit, so I find that it's easier for me and more convenient if I go ahead and wash everything and cut it up beforehand. So I went ahead and washed and cut the strawberries and then washed the grapes as well. Let me know in the comments how you guys wash your fruit. I've seen people do apple cider vinegar. Some people do baking soda. I do a mix of both. Sometimes I'll do apple cider vinegar. Sometimes I'll do baking soda. Today I chose ACV. But yeah, let me know what you guys do as far as washing your fruits and veggies. I had such a small amount of blueberries because I actually accidentally dropped the whole container of blueberries on the floor. So this was what I was able to save from that. But yeah, I was actually kind of hurt by that. Blueberries are expensive. I hope you guys enjoyed this productive get it all done vlog with me, and I hope it gave you some motivation to cross some things off of your to-do list as well. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.